So we're going to open the dimensions menu. I'm going to change the dimensions of the cube to 0.08, 0.053, 0.03 and 0.005. And we're going to scroll using the wheel in the mouse to zoom in. So I'm going to change to edit mode and select edges. Now so we can see all the edges, we're going to change to the wireframe view. And then we can select the four corners and go into the edge menu and bevel. So we can use the scroll and change the number of cuts the bevel is going to have, and when we're happy, go back to object mode. Now you're going to need to add some text. You're going to select the text, press S for scale, and scale it down, zoom in, and do the same process. Until more or less it is an approximate size of the base. You can, when you are moving it, you grab it, you can then move it on the different axes by just pressing the X, Y key once you are actually after pressing the G. So on the here you have the properties for the text, and if we go in geometry, extrude obviously is going to give a volume. Offset is going to offset the edges of the font, and this can sometimes break the 3D object or the 3D component, so be careful with the offset, especially if it's a slim font. I'm going to leave it on 0, and the bevel is actually going to sort of inflate, make it rounded. You can also change the font. You can just click on the folder and then select whichever font you like, and that will change the text. With the text selected, you can go then on the object, change to edit, and here is where you actually can write whatever it is that you want to write. And once you're happy with the font, we are going to align it. So use the gimbal to change the view from top, scale it so it fits on the plane, and then we're going to change to a side view. Gonna make it a bit narrower, so scale it again, align the view, and just move it on a position then you're happy. The text and the base have to intersect so that it becomes one body. Whenever you're happy, we're going to be adding now a cylinder. So mesh, cylinder, and we're going to use this cylinder to make a hole. Assume this may be a keyring, but this same technique for cutting holes and cutting bodies, it will apply to all the objects, all the 3D components. So we can scale it, position it, and change the dimension to the hole we want to make. And scale, and set, grab with the G, and then move it around. And when you're happy, we're going to go into the modifier. It's going to select the base, go into modifier, select Boolean, and then we're going to use this tool to select the cylinder, then drop down menu, apply, and we have already made a hole. So if we hide it, we can see the hole. Now we can delete this component as we don't need it anymore. And that's it at this stage. You can then go into the file menu, export, save as an STL, give it a name, and it's ready for printing.